Coming in at number 1 is the Reprise Pendant, drawing inspiration from Joe Colombo's iconic designs, KD27 lighting, boom microphones, and the meticulous artistry of luggage craft. Featuring a brass armature wrapped in hand-stitched leather or suede, its mold-blown glass diffusers soften the light, creating an inviting ambiance. The Reprise blends vintage references with modern sophistication, making it an exquisite centerpiece. Coming in at number 2 is the Signal X Pendant, channeling the elegance of mid-century innovation with references to satellite communication, Fresnel lenses, and Erwin Blumenfield's evocative portraits through glass. Its pressed glass diffusers emit a radiant, multi-dimensional glow, while the brass armature provides a sleek and sturdy frame. This pendant balances industrial inspiration with artistic sophistication, making it a striking focal point in any space. At number 3, the Horsehair 2 Sconce by Apparatus is a beautiful study in the contrast between organic materiality and industrial form. Inspired by Stephen Klein's equestrian imagery and the craftsmanship of writing tack, its wefts of horsehair seem to provide structural support while adding a sense of fluid movement. The brass form, cast to appear draped over a peg, blends softness and strength, creating a sculptural and functional work of art. At number 4, the episode Armchair is a perfect fusion of sculptural artistry and functional design, characterized by its elegant proportions. Inspired by the lunar rover, Rosie the Robot, and Rachel Whiteread's works, the chair blends futuristic elements with timeless sophistication. A harmonious blend of form and comfort, it's a true design masterpiece, a testament to Apparatus' ingenuity and craftsmanship. Rounding out the top 5 is the Cylinder Collection, exemplifying the beauty of proportion and utility, perfect as a primary or secondary light source. Each piece embodies a sleek simplicity, making it as versatile as it is striking. Available as a downlight, pendant, or downlight extended, this collection offers functional, directional lighting with a refined mechanical joint that seamlessly blends form and purpose. And that wraps up our tour of this beautiful space. I hope you found it as fascinating as I do. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more content like this in the future. Your support means the world to me and helps us continue exploring amazing places. From all of us here at EST Collective, thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next tour.